availability for the different types of units as well in real time. The idea is, instead of using the brochures, instead of using the different types of catalogs that you have, you've got everything here digitally, whereby you can rotate, zoom in, and then I've selected the different types of units here. I simply press apply over here. The camera will, it gives you an option to select now whether I want to look at a residence or a suite. So let's go to residence C block. The camera will take
that's the best we can be in the sun. We don't want to still, we gotta chase our dreams, reach up, reach high, because we're gonna pull through and give it all we got, even though it gets hard to catch and make it happen, but we can't start sliding. Come on, do what you gotta do to fight on. So no matter what comes your way, nothing can ruin your day. Leave wipe a smile away. By the time I'm up and out of my bed, I got 100 new ideas floating right in my head with the hope for tomorrow, a dream that I can see of all the awesome things the great people we can be. Or maybe by the music or the song that I sing, I'll change the world with a simple message that I will bring. All I know is that it's after there's more to discover, a lot of good things we can learn from one another. Gotta celebrate, laugh, and get excited about the times of good living. Come on and shout it out, hey! Take it up, take it over, take it out of control. Today I'm free of my soul, and now you got me singing, oh, hey, oh, I'm feeling fine, smiling big, feeling right like I should. Life is better than good, yeah, you got me singing, oh, hey, oh, I'm standing up on top of the world tonight, and everything's working out just right. And while the world is spinning, it's a brand new beginning.
and it will show me which floors have availability over here. So let's say, for example, let's go to the 10th floor. It opens up the floor plate over here, and all of the green ones are available. Let's select the unit now. Let's go to this one. Once I've selected that unit, you can see you have the price level for that unit, as well as having the opportunity to see and have an interactive experience with that unit. So everyone's used to seeing this. This is what everyone's used to seeing floor plan, like this. But now we've taken it to the next level. So what we do, 3D interact, and that floor plan has become 3D now. From here, I can zoom in, and that makes a lot more sense. You can really understand that a lot better than looking at this, right? We can take it one step further now by having a walkthrough. So I press this man over here, and in the bottom right corner is a virtual joystick. So now I can walk around in real time throughout the whole apartment and get the experience of what it's like to live in this apartment. Also, what's nice about this one is we've incorporated the actual views over here. So every single unit, you're setting the view as well as the location, the layout. Having the views is very important, and we've taken those actual views and stitched them in. Come on.